Welcome to Abigail with Just Baby Julie. And today we're doing something that Julie, it's especially for Julie. I'm ready.
You're ready, okay.
It's called a Toddler Busy Board.
Raise your hand if you're the toddler. That's the toddler. Okay, go ahead, Mommy.
All right. So this busy board will help with their fine motor skills.
I want to put it down.
It teaches them to self-dress. And it's a great fun cognitive tool. All right, Miss Abigail, give that to Juliana and let's see what she can do with it. That's a zipper. Open up the zipper and see what's inside. What's inside? Is that pictures?
Whoa.
Yes, it is. It's pictures of clothes that might have a zipper, right?
Yeah.
Pairs of pants and dresses that have zippers. Good job, Julie. What are those called? Do you know what they're called?
What?
Those are called buttons. Can you say buttons?
Buttons.
What's inside those buttons? Good job, Miss Abigail.
Ooh, a shirt.
A vest. That's a man's vest. A man's vest always has buttons, right? Daddy has a vest. That is a snap. What's inside, Miss Abigail?
Money. Yeah, like dollar bills, a credit card, and some change.
Very good. So it's like a wallet, right? Is that a snap? Can you snap that closed, Miss Julie?
I did it.
Good job. What else do you see? Those are different kinds of buckles. That's Velcro.
That's why I have on your shoes, Julie.
That's right. You might use that to put your sneakers on. Right?
Yeah.
That's Velcro. Can you say Velcro?
Velcro.
Good job. Miss Abigail, open up that seatbelt buckle and show Julie how to do it.
So look, you see these two tabs? Push on it really hard and then it opens.
And they pop open. You're right. That's exactly like a seatbelt. All right. Now, can you shut the buckle?
Yeah. Like shopping toys.
It's like the shopping carts. That's right.
Yes, the seatbelts and the shopping carts. Very good, sweetheart.
I do one.
And what's inside? A sneaker. Mommy's going to show you how to tie a shoe, okay? So first, we twist them around and we make a tree. And the bunny rabbit goes around the tree and through the hole. That's how my dad taught me the first day of kindergarten to tie a shoe. Miss Abigail, the top buckle, what is that like?
A belt?
A belt, that's right. That's just like a belt.
And I just did this one.
Yeah, that one's an easy one, right? You just slide the strap in and in both sides. In once and then in twice.
Ta-da! All right, Abby, so close it out.
Bye, everyone. If you didn't, like, subscribe, and hit that bell to turn on notifications. Bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Julie.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
See you tomorrow.